Welcome back, dear viewers. So we were solving exercise 1.1. In that we were looking question number 2, solve the following simultaneous equation. So we had solved up till example number 5. Today we are going to solve example number 6, then 7 and 8. So let us start. So first of all, I will write down the example. Example number 6, that is 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to 10 upon 3. The second equation is 2x plus 1 upon 4y is equal to 11 upon 4. So you will find this example as somewhat difficult or different from the previous examples which we have solved. So what we will do here, in order to remove this 3, we have to remove this 3 and we have to remove this 4. In order to remove this 3, we will multiply the numerator throughout by 3, and in order to remove this 4, we will multiply the numerator throughout by 4. Then we can remove this 3 as well as 4. So first of all, we will write down this equation as it is. 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to 10 upon 3. This will be our equation 1. 2x plus 1 upon 4y is equal to 11 upon 4. This will be our equation 2. So now look here carefully. This is not in the form of ax plus b y plus c equal to 0. So we want it in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Okay. So in order to make this in this form, what we will do, we will multiply this first equation by 3 and second equation by 4. So multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 4, and then we can have this equation in this form. So while multiplying, just take care of these things. 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to 10 upon 3. Now you will multiply. So this whole will be multiplied by 3 in the numerator. And this equation 2 will be multiplied by 4 because we want to cancel out this 4. Here why we multiplied by 3? Because we want to cancel out this 3 in the denominator. So multiply by 4 in the numerator to equation number 2 into 2x plus 1 upon 4y is equal to 11 upon 4. So let us see what do we get after doing the multiplication. So when we multiply this, so this equation will become 3 multiplied by 1 upon 3x plus 3 multiplied by y. 3 will be multiplied to this first term, then second term, and then third term. 3y, then 3 multiplied by 10 upon 3. Okay, so now what we can do? We can cancel out this. This cancel out. Numerator, denominator cancel out. Okay, here also 3 will get cancelled. So we will get the equation as 1x plus 3y is equal to 10. So this will be our equation number 3. And now next step will be what? We will multiply this 4 to 2x, then 1 upon 4y, then 11 upon 4. So 4 multiplied by 2x plus 4 multiplied by 1 upon 4y is equal to 4 multiplied by 11 upon 4. So 4 2s are 8x plus 4 4 gets cancelled. Here also 4 4 gets cancelled. This will become 1y is equal to 11. This will be your equation number 4. Got it? Now we are having this equation 3 and equation 4. So we'll write them one below the other. So this will be 1x plus 3y is equal to 10 and 8x plus 1y is equal to 11. So now you have to see the coefficients. So this is the form which was required. So now we got it in this form. Okay. Now we can solve this as usual, as we had solved the earlier examples. So you have to see carefully the coefficients of x. So here we are having 1, here we are having 8. So multiply this first equation, means this third equation, by 8 and this fourth equation by 1. So 8 ones are 8x plus 8 threes are 24, y is equal to 8 tens are 80, and this equation number 4 will remain unchanged. If you multiply it by 1, then it will make no difference. So it will be 8x plus 1y equal to 11. 8x plus 1y equal to 11. Now what you have to do? You have to do subtraction in order to cancel out x. Eliminate x. So 8x minus 8x. So what we will do? Subtraction. Then these signs will change. Before that, this plus will become minus. This will become minus. 8x gets cancelled. 24y minus 1y, it will become 23y. And 80 minus 11. 80 minus 11. So what we will get? This will become 7. This will become 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. 7 minus 1 is how much? 6. So we got the answer 23y equal to 69. So we'll carry forward our answer here. So we got 23y is equal to 69. Now you have to transpose this 23 on RHS. So here it is in multiplication. On going on right hand side, it will go in division. Okay. So this will become y is equal to 69 upon 23. 23 ones are 23 threes are. So we got the answer, value of y equal to 3. So this is your answer. And next, y equal to 3 we got. We will put this in either of this equation, either 3 or 4. So it's better to put it in 3, equation number 3. So put the value of y is equal to 3 in equation 3. Then what do we get? This will be 1x plus 3, value of y, put value of y is equal to 3 equal to 10. So 1x plus 3 threes are 9 is equal to 10. Transfer this 9 on that side. So it is here plus on LHS. After going on right hand side, then it will become minus. It will become what? Minus 9. Okay. So this will be 1x is equal to 10 minus 9. 1x is equal to 10 minus 9 is how much? 1. X is equal to 1 upon 1. X is equal to 1. So we are having our solution as, therefore the solution of the above equation is x equal to 1 means 1 comma y equal to 3, that is 3, 1 comma 3. So that's how we will approach and solve this little bit difficult equation. I hope that you have learned how to solve it. Okay, thank you.